This is Trolls on the March. The melody is for the left hand. We're going to start 5 on A, and this song moves by skips. So you go from A to C to E. There's a repeat at the end. I'll play the left hand by itself the first time, and I'll add in the right hand challenge part the second time. 1, 2, ready, go.